Tired of the same old boring PC cases? We've gathered some of the most eye-catching and distinctive options for those who crave something extraordinary. So take a look at our top 7 recommendations for the best unique PC cases which might surprise you.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
The T-Wing CMT710 PC case from FSP is a true masterpiece that combines elegance and functionality. It has an open-air frame and sleek aluminum exterior, which is inspired by a wing-shaped design. Besides, the 4mm tempered glass panels offer a clear view of your components. What's even more impressive is that you can build up to 2 systems, and the intuitive cable management is very clean and organized. Not only that, but the case also supports both SFX and ATX PSU for more flexibility. On top of that, with support for additional fans and a 360mm radiator, it truly excels in cooling. Not to mention the front I/O ports, which include Type-C, 2 USB 3.0 and a 3.5mm audio port for convenient connectivity. Overall, the T-Wing CMT710 is a remarkable case, offering a blend of aesthetics and is perfect for showcasing a stylish gaming setup. Moving on, we have the Vitru K2, an impressive capsule-shaped rounded gaming chassis that stands out with its unique design. The case comes equipped with a 200mm RGB fan that not only provides excellent cooling but also adds a vibrant touch to your setup. The tempered glass panel allows for a clear view of your components, enhancing the visual appeal. With its mesh air intake, the Vitru K2 ensures sufficient airflow within your system even during intense gaming sessions. The case also supports a 240mm water cooling radiator on the top, which enables effective liquid cooling options. When it comes to compatibility, the Vitru K2 offers ample space, supporting a maximum GPU length of 320mm and a PSU length of 200mm. It also provides 3 expansion slots, allowing for future upgrades and expansion. It's a great choice for gamers looking for a unique and high-performing case to showcase their hardware. Next, we have the Cube Mini 805 PC case from AZZA, which is a visually stunning cube-shaped chassis with an aluminum exterior. The case features magnetic tempered glass panels, including 2 slidable panels for easy access and an impressive display of your components. It comes with a pre-installed 140mm fan for efficient cooling and captivating lighting effects. The front I/O panel includes a power button, 2 USB 3.0 ports, a mic, and audio jacks for convenient connectivity. With support for up to a 130mm CPU cooler height and a maximum video card length of 200mm, it offers flexibility in component compatibility. Designed for ITX motherboards, the Cube Mini 805 is perfect for compact and stylish builds. It combines aesthetics, practicality, and high-quality construction, making it an excellent choice for people who prefer smaller builds. Coming up next, we have the CryoRig Taku that redefines the concept of a PC case by integrating it with a stylish monitor stand. Its innovative design combines functionality and aesthetics seamlessly. Despite its compact size, the Taku is compatible of housing a high-end ITX system build. The internal system tray provides ample space for components such as an SFX power supply, GPU card, ITX motherboard, and 3.5-inch hard drive. It supports a 92mm system fan to ensure efficient cooling for your system, and also, the versatility extends up to its monitor stand capability with the ability to support up to 35-pound screen weight. It also offers smart cable routing both inside and out, maintaining a clean and organized appearance. The CryoRig Taku is indeed a remarkable combination of a monitor stand and a high-quality PC case. Previously, we've seen a monitor stand with a built-in PC case inside it, but what about an entire table with built-in PC housing capability? That's right, check out the DK05F from Lian Li. The tabletop itself is constructed with an impressive 8mm thick glass that can seamlessly transition from foggy to transparent mode at the press of a button. Also, it includes motorized legs which allow height adjustment between 117 and 69 cm and provides flexibility according to personal preference. Besides, keeping the system cool is made effortless with support for two 480mm radiators at the front, two 360mm radiators in the middle, and one 240mm radiator at the rear. Besides that, the desk also offers plenty of space to fit in a 400mm GPU, while there is a 185mm cooler on both sides. Additionally, it boasts a range of convenient I/O ports including 4 USB 3.0 ports and 1 Type-C port, along with RGB fan control and a power button. With the unique combination of a PC desk and chassis, Lian Li DK05F will elevate your system to a whole new level. For our next unique PC case on the list, we have the DB4 Symmetrical Cube PC case, which looks stunning from every angle. Its 3mm thick extruded aluminum side panels not only contribute to its sleek appearance but also provide durability. This fanless case is designed with the ITX form factor in mind, which makes it ideal for compact and stylish build. It supports a 65-watt single-panel CPU cooler, ensuring efficient and silent cooling performance. Additionally, the GPU cooling kit enables effective cooling for 65-watt TDP COD. Also, the DB4 Symmetrical Cube PC case is compatible with Nanotype PSUs, which offers efficiency and space-saving benefits. Besides, the front I/O panel features up to 2 USB-A ports for convenient connectivity options. Despite its impressive features, the case weighs just 16.5 pounds, making it portable and easy to transport. It's available in 3 elegant color options: black, silver, and titanium. It's indeed a great looking case for those seeking a stylish and sleek PC case. And finally, the Inwin Day PC case is the epitome of uniqueness, standing out as one of the most visually compelling cases in the market. Its robotic speared structure, shrouded in ARGB scales, resembles a mesmerizing jellyfish, creating an extraordinary and enchanting aesthetic. The water blue color variant adds to its allure, which delivers an amazing visual experience that's both captivating and soothing. The combination of the robotic design and vibrant colors make the Inwin Day a true standout. In terms of functionality, this case offers ample space and support for high-performance components. It supports graphics cards with a maximum length of 360mm, allowing for powerful gaming setup. The CPU heatsink height compatibility of 170mm ensure a wide range of cooling solutions, and you can also easily fit in a 120mm radiator on the left and an impressive 360mm radiator on the right side to ensure efficient heat dissipation. In conclusion, the Inwin Day PC case is not only a functional chassis but a true work of art. So that was all about the top 7 unique PC cases. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.